Some mornings, you don't need a destination. You just need enough deck to spread out on. The Sunreef 80 Power Next gives you 78 feet of it, built in Gdansk, on the Baltic. Sunreef designs every one of these in-house, which means the whole platform is built around one idea: more time outside, not more time below. 2 hulls means a flatter ride and a wider cockpit than anything this size with one. Twin engines, diesel or electric, your call. Either way, you've got room to spread out before the coffee's even finished brewing. Fold-out platforms drop at the stern. The swim step goes hydraulic. What used to be a cockpit is now a private beach, right off the back of the boat. Jet ski still lives in the garage, ready when you are. The flybridge is flush now. No fixed furniture boxing you in. Just open space you can set up however the day calls for. And on the eco version, the whole platform runs on solar skin panels and next-generation batteries. No engine noise trailing you into the anchorage. Down below, the main stateroom got bigger too. Big enough now for its own bathtub, not just a shower stall. But the real living happens outside, on a boat where the whole group can spread out and nobody's tripping over anyone else. This isn't a boat you admire at the dock. It's a boat you disappear onto for a week. For full specifications and availability on the 80 Sunreef Power Next, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.